Want to save $25 on your Brevard County marriage license and skip the mandatory 3-day wait? If you are planning to get married in Melbourne, Viera, Titusville, or anywhere in Brevard County, you need to apply for your marriage license through the Brevard County Clerk of Courts. But you do not need to pay full price, and you absolutely do not need to wait 3 days to have your ceremony. Hi, I'm Kristen Franzen, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling. As a licensed mental health counselor in Florida and a national certified counselor, I'm going to walk you through the exact Brevard County process, what documents you need, and the legal framework to save money and time. First, let's look at the highly specific local cost. In order to obtain a marriage license in Brevard County, the standard fee is $86. However, if the applicants have taken a premarital class with a registered provider, like the official Florida program we offer at Cadenza Counseling, the fee is reduced to $61. That is a guaranteed $25 savings at the courthouse. Beyond saving money, there is a major time-saving benefit for Florida residents. Effective January 1st, 1999, there is a 3-day waiting period for a marriage license. But this waiting period is waived if the applicants have taken a premarital class from a registered premarital course provider. By presenting our certificate under Florida Statute 741.0305, you can legally get married the exact same day you apply. And just a quick note, if both applicants are non-Florida residents, the waiting period is waived automatically. To get this $25 discount and waive your waiting period, you just need to take our state-approved online course. At Cadenza Counseling, our official 4-hour course is entirely self-paced and 100% online. You can access it from your phone or laptop, pause whenever you need, and pick it right back up. Best of all, our course is only $14.49. There are no hidden fees, and your official certificate is generated instantly the moment you finish. When you are ready to apply, both applicants must apply together in person at the Brevard County Clerk of Courts office. You can visit the Moore Justice Center in Viera, the Melbourne Branch Courthouse, or other locations in Palm Bay and Titusville. To save time, you can also utilize the Brevard Clerk's online marriage license kiosk before arriving. Both parties must present their state-issued picture ID, military ID, or passport, and know their social security number. Hand the clerk your printed Cadenza counseling certificate, and they will verify it, apply your $25 discount, and issue your active license right there. To claim your $25 Brevard County discount and skip the waiting period, click the link in the description below to register for our official Florida premarital course. You can finish it at your own pace and print your certificate today. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button. And if you have any questions about the Brevard County marriage license process, let me know in the comments below. Congratulations on your wedding.